Well, guess where we are? Some cool clothes, lots of people, and I'm overdressed. That's okay. I thought you might enjoy a little stroll down the street. Of course, once we get close to the Oompa Pie, I won't be able to say anything, but it's really nice to be back. Oh, jumping men. I could just walk along here and not even say a word, and you would love it. Oh, so nice to be here. Paradise, is that what they call it? So the building by the train station that they were building, guess what? They've got windows up on it. It's really getting to be beautiful. I'm going to have to change my thing.